Hi, welcome back to channel BRILL Learnings. In this video, I will cover previous year maths questions related to CTET Paper 1, which was conducted in the month of December 2022. Let's move on to the first question. So the difference between the greatest 4-digit number, first write the greatest 4-digit number is 9999, and the smallest 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So take the difference of these two numbers first, 999899. Now this number, this 8999, when divided by 15 leaves the remainder. That's our question here. So now divide this 8999 with 15. 15 5s are 75, leaves the remainder 14. 9 here, bring 9 here. So 15 9s are 135. Take the difference here, 4 1 1 4. Now bring 9 here. 15 9s are 135. Again it is 14 remainder. So 14 is our answer. Fourth one is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. 11 ones plus 10 tens plus 12 hundreds. First 11 ones means 11 only. 10 tens, it will gives us 100. 12 hundreds, 12 into 100 means 1200. First add up all these values, 1 1 3 1. Now 1000 should be subtracted from this. So subtract that 1000. You are left with 311. Second one is. Let's move on to the next question. The difference between the smallest common multiple and the highest common factor of 15, 20, 25. Here we need to find LCM and HCF of the given numbers. So first find the LCM. LCM of 15, 20, 25. 5 3s, 5 4s, 5 5s. Now take product of all these numbers. You will get LCM. 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60, 65s are 300. Our LCM is 300 here. Now find the HCF of these numbers, 15, 20, 25. 5 3s, 5 4s, 5 5s. So 5 is our HCF here. HCF is 5. Difference of LCM and HCF is 295. Let's move on to the next question. What should be added to the product of 201 into 105 to get 21,171? So first simplify this multiplication. 201 into 105. 5 1s are 5, 5 0 0, 5 2s are 10, 0 0 0, 1 1s are 1, 1 0 0, 1 2s are 2. So 5 0 1 1 2. Here we got the value as 21,105. So in order to get 21,171, we have to add here 66, so that we will get 21,171. So second one is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. In a school there are 260 students, out of which 2/3 of the boys and the rest are girls. First find the boys. So 2/3 of the total students, total is 260. First find the number of boys. So 3 4s are 3 2s are 0. So here 840 boys are there in this school and remaining are girls only. So subtract this 840 from 260. 420. So 420 are girls here. Now we need to find the number of students who are not players in the school. Here they have given one more statement, 3/4 of the number of boys are player. So total we have 840. Out of these 840, 3/4 of the students are boys. That means 1/4 are not players. That means find these values. 2s are 1 0. So 210 boys are not players here. And now they have given one more statement, half of the number of the girls are also player. That means half of the number of girls are not players. Out of these 420, half of the girls are not players. So find these value also. So 210. So 210 girls are not players here, and 200 boys also not players. That means 420 students who are not players. That is our answer. Let's move to the next question. How many 3 by 8s are there in 9 by 4? Total we have 9 by 4 value. Out of this value, how many 3 by 8s are there? Okay, have to write in this form. So 9 by 4 into 8 by 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are 4 ones are 4 2s are. So total we have 6 3 by 8s are there in this number. So second one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. Neena bought 3 kg 650 grams onions and 1 kg 800 grams tomatoes from a vegetable shop. By what amount the weight of onions exceed the weight of tomatoes? So take the difference simply. First convert all these kgs into grams. Onions 3 kgs 650 grams. Convert this whole value into grams itself. So 3650 grams. Next 1 kg 800 grams of tomatoes. So convert this value also, 1800 grams. By what amount does the weight of onions exceed the weight of tomatoes? Take the difference. 0, 5, 18, 1850. That means 1 kg 850 grams. Fourth one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. On a map, half centimeter shows 225 kilometer on the ground. That means here half centimeter on the map is equal to 225 kilometers on the ground. If two cities are 1800 kilometer apart, that means two cities are 1800 kilometer apart on the ground, then distance between them on the map. So we need to find the distance on the map. So what you need to do? First divide this 1800 with 225. Okay, 25 9s are 25, 7s are 5 carry forward here. So 2s are 9 1s are 9 8s are, that is equal to 8 times. This 1800 is 8 times to the 225. That means I have to multiply here also with 8. So 1 by 2 into 8, we will get 4 centimeters. So on the map, this 4 centimeter is equivalent to 1800 kilometers on the road. So let's move on to the next question here. The number of minutes in 7.5 days is equal to the number of seconds in how many hours? That's the question. First, calculate the number of minutes in 7.5 days. Okay, 7.5. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7.5 is equal to, so 2 7s are 14, 14, 15 by 2 days. Convert these days into minutes. So 24 hours. For each hour we have 60 minutes. So simplify this total value. 2 1s are 2 12s are. Now simplify these expression. 15 6 are 900 into 12. So 0 0 12 0 0 12 9s are 108. We have 10,800 minutes here. So now find the number of seconds from the given options. First try the first option, 3 hours. Convert these hours into seconds. So for each hour we have 60 minutes and for each minute we have 60 seconds. So simplify this value. 6 6 are 36, 3600 into 3. So 3 1s 300, 300, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 10. So this is our answer. Here we got the number of seconds as 10,800. This value and this value both are equal. That means this is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. The number of cubes of side 30 cm which can be fitted in a cubical box with the measurements 7.2 meters, 5.4 meters and 1.8 meters. So first write the volume of the bigger measurement. Okay, 7.2 meters, 5.4 meters and 1.8 meters. Now in order to find the number of cubes of side 30 centimeter which can be fitted in this measurement, we need to divide this volume with the volume of the cube with the side 30 centimeter. So write that value also, 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter. But we have two measurements, one is meters, one is in centimeters. So convert those two measurements into one measurement so that we can easily calculate. It is better convert the bigger value into smaller value. That means convert these meters into centimeters. So relation between meter and centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So multiply all those upper values with the 100. So 7.2 into 100, 720. Now it is centimeter, 540 centimeter, and then 180 centimeter. Write the denominator values as it is, 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and then 30 centimeter. Now cancel all these values, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 3 ones are 3 6 are 3 ones are 3 2s are 3 ones are 3 2s are 3 4s are. So 24 2s are 48. 48 into 54. Simplify this multiplication. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16, 19. 5 8s are 40. 5 4s are 20, 24. 2 9 5 2. 2592. 1592. First one is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. The total number of right angles in the English letters H and E. Let's find that. So first write the H. Here we have right angle. Here also. Here. Here. Total we have 4 right angles here. For the letter E, let's find. Here, 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 and here. So here also we have 4. Total we have 8 right angles for these two letters. So fourth one is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. The perimeter of a square is 120 centimeter. The length of a rectangle is 2 times the side of a square. First write the perimeter of a square. Okay. So total perimeter is 120. That means 4a. For square, perimeter formula is 4a. That is equal to 120. From this we can get the side of a square. So 120 by 4. You will get 30 as side. That means 30, 30, 30, and 30. Now they have given relation between the length of the rectangle and side of a square. Here the length of the rectangle is 2 times the side of a square. Write a rectangle here. So the length of the rectangle is 2 times the side of a square. Side here is 30 centimeter. Now 2 times, that means 60 here, 60 here. And they have given the perimeter of the rectangle also. Perimeter of the rectangle also given. That means perimeter of the rectangle P equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. From this you can get the value of breadth. So 156 perimeter by 2 is equal to, length is 60 here and breadth we don't know. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are, 2 8s are, 78 minus 60 is equal to breadth. Breadth is equal to 18 here. Okay. Here breadth is 18. Okay. Otherwise you can calculate like this also. 156 minus, deduct these two values, 120. Deduct this value. You will get 36 here. And this 36 should be divided here and here. That means 36 by 2. That is equal to 18 is our breadth. Now, what is the difference between the areas of rectangle and square? That is our concern here. So find the area of rectangle and square. First, what is the area of a square? Here side is 30. That means square of it, you will get 900 as area for square. And the area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length here is 60, breadth is 18. So find the value. 8 0 0, 8 6 are 48, 1 0 0, 1 6 are 6. So 0, 8, 10 0. So 1080 is the area of a rectangle. So difference of these two values they are asking. So 1080 minus 900. So 180 is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. The marks obtained by 25 students in the test are given below. How many students obtained marks between 55 and 75? They are asking about marks between 55 and 75. That means we should not include 55 and 75 here. So 51, 54, it's not, and between this value 68, okay, 42 not, 71, okay, 56, okay, 62, okay, 71, okay, 78, no, 51, no, 72, okay, 53, it's not between the range, 44, it's not, okay, not, 64, okay, 41, not, 57, okay, 89, it's not between the range, 53, it is also not, it is not, 57, okay, 45 not, 48, 52 and 62. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. The following table shows the number of books sold by a shopkeeper in 6 days of a week. What is the difference between the total number of books sold by the shopkeeper on Sunday, Monday, Thursday? First write the number of books sold on Sunday, Monday, Thursday. Sunday 65, Monday 40, and then Thursday. Thursday means 20. 5, 6, 6, 12, 125. And take the total of Friday and Wednesday. Friday we have 70 and Wednesday 50. So 70 and 50. So 120. They are asking about the difference between these two values. Difference is 5. First one is the answer. Let's move to the next question. They have given a pattern here. So if you observe, first numbers all are prime numbers. That means you will get here after 19, 23 is our prime number. So second one is the answer. If you have any queries, please post in the comment section. I definitely sorted your doubts. Thank you all. We'll meet in the next video.